Davido and Chioma relationship don't they cause serious chaos for internet. Everybody don't they bring their own. Everybody don't they bring their own. And this thing, okay, I know say it don't be they happen before, but since when that Maya girl, that lesbian, since when that girl come inside picture more, my people, things don't become worse. And the latest one we are here now, they say Chioma don't stop the video from seeing their son. He say because you don't they see other women, so now you no get access to the pikin again. And according to matter we are here now, they say that we don't get right to see this boy because for Igbo culture, man will never pay bride price for woman. You know if you claim child where that woman born. So I beg, this argument where they talk about now, if they come from TVC. One of their hosts, you know, I know those round table matter with discussion where they discuss. Now they start to talk. One of their hosts come make statement concerning Chioma. You know, now one talk they bring another talk. That one come to say she even here. Say Chioma drop out of school because of the video. Meanwhile, the video graduates. I beg, I bring a call on her side. Because the same way this woman make after that. You don't they cause commotion everywhere. And according to her, he say, God. May God not give our children we no go get sense. They refer to Chioma. So I beg, join me, make we watch the video.
Where I come from, if your father does not collect, even if it's 15 naira, in my place it's 15 naira, they don't collect that 15 naira. There's no covering to protect you. Marriage is sort of a covenant and a covering that protects you if anything goes wrong. And we know that even in marriage, things go wrong. And the women are left like that. Now, with marriage, you now have like a legal backing to fight for your rights. But when there is no exchange of 15 naira, you are on the same level as side chick, baby mama, whatever it is. Now, I heard just before this one happened that this particular person abandoned school to follow man. The day I heard it, I felt, that was when I started praying that prayer, God, please do not give me children that don't have sense.
My people, not be small commotion. No. Some people they support Chioma, some people they insult the host, some people they support the host. In fact, everybody just choose their side. And as usual, I no get any side. That's why they see me like this. I just they bring matter straight. I see they do me. I see they knock me for head. That's why they drop her. First of all, nobody know how true this matter be. Whether Chioma drop out because of Davido, I be Chioma no drop out. And see, as I dey like this, if I tell you and say I know, I dey lie. So me, I don't know whether not true. But me too, I hear her say she drop out because of Davido. I don't know. And I did the insurance, I be assurance come. Where Davido come to say, nah, because this one has been there for me, blah, 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 plenty to talk. But now, my matter be say, if truly not true, I don't know whether not true, but if not true, I am very, very disappointed. For person to leave school because of man, no. I know for this one, I know they take her. Because of man, you leave school, and man can't graduate on top. Women, why will I they love mumu love? I know say some men too they do sacrifices, but our own too much. Like our own, they always extra out of line, seriously. Always they over too much. Now everybody know they tell this one, hey, the host did not talk well, the host did not do this one, the host did not do that one. I beg, as a parent, you go happy, say your pikin drop out of school. All this one where they talk now, if not true, me una no get me wrong before na go swallow me. If it's true, I quote am. As a parent, you go happy, say your pikin drop out of school because she dey in love. Which kind mumu love? As that one graduates, you know love? Please, as you are loving, have sense. Oh. Love with sense. Love with your heart, but don't forget to use your head. It is very, very important. Okay, now, see, may we assume saying I'm still on assumption, say not true. Now, Davido don't graduate, she be drop out. Now, what's happen? They will not be Davido, they follow other women up and down, up and down, up and down. They disgrace her. Some people no deserve one bit of sacrifice. They no deserve her. They no deserve her. But anyway, because this matter now, two things bring me come. The drop out of school and the pikin. Because now my own be the pikin. You understand? Because now people know they to say, Davido get right to sing Pikin because they now him too, now him put the thing inside, now him do this one. I bet Davido don't pay bride price. Davido pay bride price. Now question I ask. You turn our sister to Lady of the Rings. You put ring since later we don't see you, we don't see Pami, we don't see anything. You say you put ring for person finger. You not even feel just wear the person once. You keep on there. And when I hear that for the video, you going to see a woman's people. It's just like, we not say na here you they stay. You know me say una don't marry you. They deceive una self. Man, don't go see your family now. You don't call on your husband. Husband bow from where? Do the necessary things. Do the needful. Complete it. Let us know that yes, you have done it. I don't even blame Davido now. Chioma too are the blame. Because before you enter this matter, you still say baby mama's already there. You still chook head. Give me assurance, assurance, assurance. Oh, you have seen assurance. You don't come to endurance now. You have become Mama Endure. I don't know why you don't give birth to girls so that we go just kukuma to name the girl Endurance. Mama Endure for the matter for just complete. And I don't know what the Chioma family they do about this matter. When they see if they don't say money na something. Because of money, nobody agree come outside now question the video. Say this one. You have promised our daughter marriage since nothing is happening. She has even given birth. You even born for man we no. See, this matter, in fact, they make me vex if I think. So I say I go bring her outside, I can't clear this egg, this air. You understand? Very, very important. And Davido, I better bring her outside. Maybe you need person where you go put sense inside your head, and I am that person. Why you never do wedding with Chioma? I just ask you simple question. No, if I give you back Hannah, you announce and finish. Make you even no see me because my heart almost cut. You even give me heart attack. I almost get problem with my boyfriend. Say, see what your mate is doing. Now you come outside. See, I give you 24 hours to get back to me. I want to know when, how, and how it will be done. Very, very important. If I don't hear from you, oh, you go not say that they call me Veronica. I tell you this thing before. This guy never ready to propose. Hey, I say propose to marry. Una to say no, he don't change. He's a changed person. I'm waiting for the change person. I've been now for 2023 election. We go marry. He go shock una. Now so the baby mama go the list. The list go the long. Go the long they go. We go shock una. Make una continue to wait. Now go grow beards finish. I beg now the matter be this so everybody get one side of the story, but I still want to wait till nothing concerning this matter. So I beg drop out for that comment section, share this video and click on the subscription bell so that you know go they miss any interesting content where we get for you. Stay tuned for our next story.